Ayun, 11 May 2025, Sunday. Ito, 2:48 PM na. Ni-start ko na si Tonton ulit. Ni-start ko. Mamaya may dadrive kami ito ya. Emil Ortega, nag-start ulit siya. Emil Ortega, have mercy, forgive us, save us. Save us sinners. Emil Ortega, nag-start ulit si Tonton. Ngayon ay 11 May 2024, Sunday. 2:48 ng hapon na. Ayun na, clock. Ang tinakbo ng odometer is 135,855 kilometers na magmula ng July 2015 hanggang ngayon sa July 2025, sa July month mag 13 years na si Tonton. Lord, thank you Lord, have mercy. Ang magana aircon, magana aircon. Lord, thank you Lord, have mercy. Lord, thank you Lord. Lord, have mercy. Thank you Lord, have mercy. Inandar ko ang aircon, mandar aircon. Ngayon chichikin ko lang voltahe. Chichikin ko voltahe kung ayos, kung nagkakarga. Lord, have mercy. Thank you Lord. Lord, have mercy. Ayun, 2:49 PM na. Lord, thank you Lord, have mercy. Forgive us sinners. Have mercy Lord, Lord, thank you Lord.